Hello all my dear students, welcome to my channel. Let's learn and grow. Dear students, today we are going to learn 9th standard poem titled Life, given by Charlotte Brontë. Dear students, in this series I'll complete 9th standard textbooks, all topics. Students, I'm going to explain all the topics bilingual because most of the students are uncomfortable with only English. That's why I am using both Hindi as well as English. Dear students, इस सीरीज में हम 9th क्लास के सारे टॉपिक्स इंग्लिश के साथ ही साथ हिंदी एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ सीखेंगे. Dear students, with the help of few steps, I will try to explain this poem to you so that you will get clear understanding of this poem. Dear students, firstly, I'll read the poem for you so that you will get clear pronunciations. After that, in second step, I'll give you meanings of few unfamiliar words. Dear students, with the help of this step, you will be able to comprehend the poem easily. Turning to the next step, I'll explain the poem to you. Wherever needed, I'll give Hindi explanation. And at last, students, I will summarize poem for you. So, let's get started. Dear student, this is वेरी ब्यूटीफुल पोएम बिकॉज इस पोएम के थ्रू हमें अपने लाइफ की रियलिटी समझ आती है. सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई विल रीड फर्स्ट स्टैंजा फॉर यू. लाइफ बिलीव इज नॉट अ ड्रीम सो डार्क एज सेजेस से आफ्टर लिटल मॉर्निंग रेन foretells a pleasant day. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. What though death at times step in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fail. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Manfully, fearlessly the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously can courage quell despair. By Charlotte Brontë. Dear students, this is a very beautiful poem because in this poem, dear students, we understand reality of the life. Now turning to the second step, I'll give you meanings of unfamiliar words. Sages, it means wise men. Oft, it is a short form of often, it means mostly. Pleasant means joyful. Transient means temporary, for short time. Lament, expressing grief or regret. Rapidly, it means very fast. Sunny hours, it means happy moments in our life. Flit means move lightly. Sway, controlling influence. Over, it is a variant form of over. Unconquered, undefeated. Buoyant, that which can rise upward. Manfully, bravely. Quell, it means end or suppress. Despair, hopelessness. Cheerily, in a happy and optimistic way. These are few words which are maybe unfamiliar to you. Now turn to the next. I'll read you first stanza and I'll explain this stanza for you. Life, believe, is not a dream, so dark as sages say, oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Dear students, in this stanza, poetess say that life is not a dream or life is not a nightmare. Also, life is not a dark struggle, as wise person or saint says. Many people say that life is struggle, life is a bad dream, but student, life ऐसी नहीं होती है. लाइफ में बस दुख ही दुख हो ऐसा नहीं होता है. Dear students, we have to believe in ourselves. It's correct that sometimes we have to struggle in our life, and due to that bad times we feel that life is so dark. It is very bad. बट लाइफ में हमेशा यही कंडीशन रहे ऐसा नहीं होता है. ऑफ्ट अ लिटल मॉर्निंग रेन foretells a pleasant day. Oft a little morning rain foretells a pleasant day. Dear students, what does mean oft? It is a short form of often, means most of the times or mostly. Students, sometimes raining start in morning, and at that time we feel that the entire day may get wasted. But students, many times that little rain is an indication that the day may be very beautiful and pleasant. Students, इस स्टैंजा में पोएटेस कहना चाहती है कि कभी कभी सुबह सुबह हल्की बारिश स्टार्ट हो जाती है और हमें लगता है शिट, आज का तो सारा दिन ही खराब हो गया. पर पोएटेस का कहना है कि सुबह की हल्की बारिश तो हमारे सारे दिन के अच्छे होने का एक संकेत होता है. बिकॉज ड्यू टू दैट लिटल रेन roses blossom, means that is the indication of coming happiness in our life. Similarly, there may be some little problems or difficulties in our life, but instead of thinking negatively, we should think that they are sign of good things to come in our life. Dear students, that is what first stanza want to say. I hope you are understanding. Now turning to the second one. Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? Student, what does this stanza says? Sometimes there are clouds of gloom, but these are transient all. Student, what do you mean by gloom? Gloom means sadness. Sadness means udasi. Students, sometimes in our life we face sadness, but this sadness and hard times are temporary. Student, nothing ever is permanent in our life. Means खुशियाँ हो या दुख, दोनों में से कोई भी परमानेंट नहीं हो रहेंगे. टाइम हमेशा चेंज होते रहता है. आज दुख है तो कल खुशियां भी जरूर होंगी. If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? If the shower will make the roses bloom, oh, why lament its fall? It means now it's going to shower, and this shower going to make roses bloom. Then why should we regret about shower? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, कभी कभी हमारे लाइफ में बस दुख ही दुख नज़र आते हैं, बट ये सारे दुख टेम्पररी है. जब बारिश की बौछार आती है तब उसके कारण गुलाब खिलते हैं. बारिश की बौछार के कारण फ्लावर्स ब्लॉसम होते हैं. तो फिर बारिश से रिग्रेट क्यों करना? बारिश से शिकायत किस बात की? डियर स्टूडेंट्स, सिमिलरली in our life also hard times means sadness, and all this struggle we go through make us wise, make us strong, and brings out our best qualities. This sadness help us to reach our full potential. Then why should we worry about these hard times? Now which lines you are seeing on the screen, student, ये सिर्फ आपको means एक अंडरस्टैंडिंग बनने के लिए दी गई है, बिकॉज जो पोएम के लाइंस होते हैं वो लाइन टू लाइन प्रोज की तरह नहीं होते हैं जिससे कि आप डायरेक्ट उसका मीनिंग समझ सको, बट these lines are given as a just translation here. Okay, turn to the next stanza. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Rapidly, merrily, life's sunny hours flit by. Gratefully, cheerily, enjoy them as they fly. Student, what does this stanza say? Here, sunny hour means good times in our life. Sunny hour means हमारे लाइफ के ब्यूटीफुल मोमेंट्स. स्टूडेंट, इन दिस स्टांजा पोएटेस want to say that जो हमारे लाइफ का अच्छा टाइम होता है वो बहुत ही फास्टली निकल जाता है. Dear student, we all know that time doesn't wait for anyone. Life's sunny hour means happy times go very fastly and we don't realize it since we are in the state of happy mind. Okay student, I'll give you one example. Whenever sport events start in your school or annual day practice started, those 15 days goes very fastly. Even आपको तो समझ ही नहीं आता कि ये 15 days कब start हुए और कब finish भी हो गए. In the other hand, the things which you don't like or you are not interested, that time goes very slowly. Suppose when your examination start, that time you feel like, oh God, कितने दिन से ये एग्ज़ाम चल रहे हैं. As such, good times go away very fast and we don't even realize it. On the other hand, during hard times we feel like it is passing very slow. So dear students, we should enjoy each and every moment of our life because time is not going to wait, but it will fly away quickly. So we should always be cheerful and be grateful to God because God given us this beautiful life, God given us this beautiful day to live. What though death at times step in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? What though death at times step in and calls our best away? What though sorrow seems to win over hope a heavy sway? Dear student, in this stanza, poetess wants to capture our mind towards a very important moment of our life. She tells us that sometimes we go through extreme sadness and depression in our life. Students, sometimes someone close to us, someone dear to us, falls in the clutches of death. That time we are completely engulfed in sorrow, and that time it seems there is nothing in our life without sadness. For that particular time, we feel like sadness and negativity seems to win. What though death at times step in and calls our best away? डियर स्टूडेंट, पोएटेस इस स्टांजा के थ्रू कहना चाहती है कि कभी कभी लाइफ में ऐसा भी होता है कि जो पर्सन हमें सबसे ज़्यादा प्यारा होता है वो हमसे दूर चला जाता है. मौत उस व्यक्ति को दबे पाँव के साथ आकर हमसे दूर ले जाती है. उस टाइम हमें बहुत ज़्यादा दुख होता है और हमें ऐसा फील होता है कि अब हमारे लाइफ में कुछ भी रिमेनिंग नहीं है. हमें लगता है मानो हमारी सारी उम्मीदें ख़त्म हो गई हैं, पर कुछ ही टाइम के बाद हमारी जो उम्मीदें हैं वो फिर से सर उठाने लगती है और दुखों से जीतने के लिए एक आशा की किरण ही काफ़ी है. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, now we will turn to the next stanza. Yet hope again elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Student, what does this stanza say? भले ही आज हमारे लाइफ में दुख ही दुख है, लेकिन आने वाला टाइम में खुशियाँ भी ज़रूर आएंगी. Yet hope again, elastic springs, unconquered though she fell. Dear students, in these lines, the poetess is saying that as time passes, our hope is going to rise again. Means hope is like an elastic rubber. The more you try to suppress, it will rise more higher and higher. मीन्स हमारे लाइफ के दुख जितना हमें दबाने की कोशिश करेंगे, हमारी उम्मीदें उतना ही फोर्स के साथ उनको फेस करने के लिए सामने आएंगी. Still buoyant are her golden wings, still strong to bear us well. Dear student, buoyant means what? It means rise upward. The wings of hope are golden and they are buoyant, means they can rise upward. These golden wings are still too strong so that we can bear anything and we can come out of it. मीन्स पोएटिस कहना चाहती है कि हमारी उम्मीदें जो है वो हमारे गोल्डन विंग्स मीन्स सुनहरे पंखों की तरह हैं, जिसमें अभी भी इतनी ताकत है कि वो हमें हर क्रिटिकल सिचुएशन से बाहर निकालने के लिए हमारी मदद करें. नाउ turning to the last one, manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, for gloriously, victoriously, can courage quell despair? Dear student, this last stanza uses great message. Manfully, fearlessly, the day of trial bear, it means whatever trials you are facing through, bear them like a man without fearing it. जब आपके लाइफ में बहुत सारी परेशानियाँ, बहुत सारे दुख आ जाते हैं, it means those are the days of trial in your life. It means God is testing our courage. So इस टेस्टिंग डेज में हमें रोते नहीं बैठना है, हमें मैनफुली मीन्स करेज के साथ बिना डरे इन ट्रायल डेज का सामना करना है. इन्हें हमें करेजियसली फेस करना है. इफ़ यू आर करेजियस, that only despair can end. You will come out victoriously. पोएटिस कहते हैं अगर हमारे पास करेज है तो वो अल्टीमेटली हमारे दुखों को ओवरकम कर देगा. एंड डेफिनेटली यू विल विन, यू विल फाइंड ग्लोरी. सो this is what this stanza tells us. Now turn to the last step, student. What is summary of this poem? In this poem, just we remember few things. What poet is saying, in our life there are lots of ups and downs. Without worrying about those ups and downs, we have to face them courageously. We have to believe in ourselves. We have to take all difficulties positively which we are going through. And then only we will get our real potential, our real victory. There is nothing impossible in our life. Dear student, this is what poetess Charlotte Bronte want to say through this poem, Life. Dear student, today we learned first poem of your syllabus. We will meet soon with new topic in next video. तब तक के लिए keep learning and always remember, do the best and be the best. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you so much. Bye.